What are the differences between a double zero guard and a one guard? This is a speedo guard. As you can see, it has a ring here, which is clips onto the clipper. And then you slide this top part onto the clipper. Then you have this guard, which is a babeless guard. It has a snapping mechanism in here. You put the clipper blade in here and you snap this onto the clipper. Essentially, both of these do the same thing, but one does them more effectively. This speedo guard is made of hard plastic. These teeth here are sharp. Not sharp enough to cut me, but sharp enough to give you some kind of a sting. These teeth, not as sharp. These are rounded and very much safer. Okay? Now the difference is, this is a double zero and this is a one. I utilize these two tools to blend. This is like a spoon and this is like a fork. This tool, this guard, is easier to use on finer hair. You could use it on more coarser hair, however, it won't be as effective, only because the teeth and the material will skim over the coarse hair. Whereas this speedo guard with the sharp teeth and the material that it's made of will scoop up the coarser hair and cut it more effectively. So that's why when utilizing these two tools, I determine, is this client's hair going to be easier and faster to use if I use this tool or this tool? Now, some types of coarse hair, both of these can work. But other types of coarse hair, not so much this. So this is what I go to. Now, if you are utilizing the speedo guard, you have to keep in mind that utilizing this will save you time. Whereas if you only have this, you can still do the job effectively. However, it'll take you a little bit longer to achieve what you're trying to achieve. So we have the double zero speedo guard and the one babeless guard. This tool comes with your clippers. Most of the time they come with this type of material, these rounded teeth. This is a separate type of guard that you can buy in an array of sizes, but usually I stick to a double zero and a triple zero. This is my go-to when it's time to speed up the process. This is my go-to when it's time to chill with the process. Either way, they both get the job done. It's just about knowing when to utilize them to get the job done, if that makes sense. This is the barber you deserve.